Hello guys, welcome to our new video. In this video, we are discussing the aptitude question asked for TCS Equity on 14 September. The income of Rekha is 60% more than that of Anu, and the income of Shashi is 35% less than 80% of the total income of Rekha and Anu. By what percent is the income of Shashi less than the income of Rekha? The income of Rekha is 60% more than that of Anu. So let's assume income of Anu as 100. So the Rekha income will be 60% more than Anu. That means 160. Then income of Shashi is 35% less than 80% total income of Rekha and Anu. So we have to find the 80% of total income. That is 80% of 160 plus 100. So we can write 80 into 260 by 100. So zeros will be cancelled. So the answer will be 208. So 80% is 208. Then we have to find the Shashi's income, which is 35% less. 35% less means 65% of the income. So we can write 65% of 208. We can write like 65 by 100 into 208. The answer will be 135.2. So we have find the Shashi's income. Now we have to find by what percent is the income is the income of Shashi less than income of Rekha. So the Rekha income is 160 and Shashi's income is 135.2. So we can the difference between these two is 24.8. So we can write 24.8 divided by 160 into 100, that is 15.5. So the answer will be C, option C, 15.5. Let's go to the next question. If A is to B is 2 is to 3 and then B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5 and D is 20% more than C, find the ratio between A and D. So we can write A is to B is 2 is to 3 and B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5. So we have to find the ratio between A is to D. For doing that, we have to find ratio, that is A is to B is to C. First we have to find this. For that, we can see that B is in two different places, but B has different values. So first for combining these two, first I multiply this with 4 and this with 3. So then we get A is to A is to B is equal to 8 is to 12 and B is to C is equal to 12 is to 15. So we can write A is to B is to C is equal to 8 is to 12 is to 15. Now we have to find the value of D. So for doing that, the value will be like D is equal to C value is 15, that is 60, that is 20% more than C. That means 15 into 20% more than. So first you have to find the 20%. That will be equal to 3. So D will be is equal to 15 plus 3, that is 18. The D value is equal to 18. So now you have to find the ratio between A and D. That is 8 is to 18. We can write 4 is to 9. This is the answer. 4 is to 9 is option D. Option D is the answer. Let's go to the third question. The ratio of income of A and B is 3 is to 5. That is, we can write ratio income of A is to income of B is equal to 3 is to 5. And then the ratio of their expenditure is 4 is to 5, 4 is to 7. We can write expenditure of A is to expenditure of B is equal to 4 is to 7. For converting to values, we can write it like income of A is equal to 3, income of B is equal to 5x, and then expenditure of A is equal to 4y, expenditure of B is equal to 7y. And then if A and B save 8,000 and 11,000, that is, these are the savings of A and B. Savings of A and B is given, that is, savings of A is equal to 8,000 is equal to 3x, that is income minus expenditure. Expenditure is 4y. This is the first equation. Then savings of B is equal to 11,000 is equal to 5x, income minus expenditure. This is the second equation. So what is the difference between the income of A and B? So we have to find the difference in income. So for that we have to find the value of x. So we can solve this two equations. So we have to find the value of x. So we can equate the value of y. That is, I multiply the first equation with 7 and second equation with 4. We can write 56,000 is equal to 21x minus 28y. Then 44,000 is equal to 20x minus 28y. These two cancelled. So we can write x equal to 12,000. X equal to 12,000. So the question is, what is the difference between the income of A and B? A's income is 3x and B's income is 5x. The difference between them is 2x. So we can write 2 into 12,000, that is 24,000. 24,000 is the answer, that is option D is the answer. Let's go to the fourth question. The difference between the simple interest acquired on sum of P% and P minus 5% after 4 years will be 12,000. Find the sum. We know the equation for simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. We can write the difference of simple interest of at rate P and simple interest at rate P minus 5 is equal to 12,000. We can write this because the difference between the question is given as difference is given as 12,000. So we can write, let's say the initial amount is x, so x into P into 4 divided by 100 minus x into P minus 5 divided by 100 is equal to 12,000. We can write px4 divided by 100 minus again a px4 by solving this. Here it is p. Again a px4 will come. Px4 divided by 100 minus and minus will give plus 20x divided by 100 is equal to 12,000. So we can write these two cancelled. So we can write x equal to 60,000. So the answer is option C. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.